guys, welcome to Nevaeh and Nylani Club. So today we're gonna be cooking noodles. Yeah! I know. Until you get all the way to right here. Oh, I forgot. Okay, come on guys. Then you open the microwave. Open it, don't mind that. Spaghetti blew up sometimes.
How? I forgot how.
We put on too much milk. We put this on it. This is how we make it correct. We put on 6 minutes. Oh, Lonnie, didn't see you there. He said bye.
And then hi.
Okay, I opened the season. Look how it. If you wonder what noodles these are, you can literally look right here. It's chicken foot. So you just do this. Pour it all over. And then, okay, we got enough seeds. It's time to eat. Oh, you forgot your fork.
Where's my fork?
Oh, honey. You see how much water I put in here? That much. Just one more. So time to eat. Eat.
That much.
It's okay. Cheers! No, wait. We're supposed to do this. Cheers! Cheers! Yum.
Oh my gosh. Cheers!
We only do that when we first take a bite. Hey, let me have some.
Don't get that much. Bear, don't flirt it. Oh, bear! Okay, now dump. No dump.
Ryan, can you see if this is good? Please, can you go get our juice?
Okay.
Yeah, we have juice. Yes, please. 2 cups.
Okay.
One for me, one for you. We have 1
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost.